How's your go-to-market planning coming? When it comes to product launches, you only get one chance to make a first impression, and nothing captures attention quite like a well-made video. Whether you're launching a new product or feature, video is one of the most effective tools to get your audience excited and engaged from day one. Now, this video is one in a series of videos I'm doing on video for go-to-market strategies, so keep an eye out for related content. Better yet, download a free copy of our new book, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. Stick around at the end of this video and I'll tell you how to get your own free copy. Video has a unique power to convey the story behind your launch in a way that written content or emails just can't match. It brings your product to life, helping viewers see the benefits, experience, and features and understand how it can solve their problems. Plus, it's versatile. You can use it across social media, email campaigns, and even directly on your website to maximize reach. A well-crafted video announcement doesn't just share information, it builds momentum. It sets the tone for your go-to-market campaign and makes your message stand out. Whether it's a slick product demo, a behind-the-scenes look at your development process, or even a CEO message, video allows you to communicate the value of your launch in a way that gets people talking. And here's the best part. With remote video capture, creating launch announcement videos has never been easier. You can record content from anywhere with anyone without the need for expensive film crews or complex logistics. It's faster, requires less effort, and gets your video assets ready in a fraction of the time. That means you can focus on your launch, not on the production headaches. Video can also support your go-to-market efforts in other ways, like training your sales team, providing pre-launch teasers, or creating in-depth product demos. It's a tool that brings real value at every stage of your strategy. Again, I'm covering these go-to-market tools in other videos, so keep an eye out for those. If you're planning a product launch, now's the time to think about using video to make a real impact. To get your free copy of our new ebook, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video, just drop me a line in the comments section below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment. Let's talk about how you can use video to fuel your next big launch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.